Come on, come on, come on, come on. Ooh, man. Oh, he swiped at it. Oh, come on. He swiped at it. Come on, girl. It's like right on her side. No, come on, come on, come on. You're just gonna get hurt. Come here, come here, come here. Woo, this clear water's kicking our butt, man. What the heck? I thought you heard me. No. Man, I caught that on film too. Woo. Man, I almost got knocked out right there. Woo. Glad I didn't come up. I was gonna tap you on the shoulder. Alright, about to switch up color. I'm done with this purple. Alright guys, we're switching up the color now. The heck with this purple thing. It's not working. See if maybe they'll react on a different color. I'm hoping this is true. Alright, we've switched spots to over here. It's way shallower over here than it was last time we were here, but I don't think we're gonna catch any fish. Where are you going with my bag? You trying to hide my bag? He's trying to hide my bag while I'm doing this. Oh, you. I don't even know what to call you. Alright, so we're probably not going to catch any fish today. We're literally through every single bait that I brought. Look at that. He's just walking away. We literally brought every single bait that I would normally try. Crawls, jigs, worms, spinner baits, swim baits. Like, oh, we threw everything. I'm tired. We're just gonna make a day of it. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna make a day of it, and we'll see what happens. Man, what is going on with this fish? Eat it. I am recording. Am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording. What is, like, this fish is right here. What are we doing? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Ooh, man. Oh, he swiped at it. Oh, come on. He swiped at it. Come on, girl. It's like right on her side. No, come on, come on, come on. You're just gonna get hurt. Come here, come here, come here. Come here. Calm down, calm down, calm down. Look at this. She's got a hook already in her mouth. See that?
Oh yeah.
Let's get this out of here. Man, got her in her eye. She swiped. Dude. Why is this one so hard? Man, that's 3-4 pounds. That's 3 pounds right there. That is a solid fish. Check that out, guys. Look at this girl. Woo! All right, guys, we're gonna let this one go, and hopefully we see her out here again. This is the first fish that I've caught here at the state park, about 3 pounds. So this is a good start. I'm glad we caught a fish today. So, woo! Let's let her go. Her, him, I don't know how to say. There you go. Come on. There you go. Good. Oh, she's a little shell shocked. She's a little shocked right now. There she goes. She found her balance. All right, guys. Woo! Let's go get another one. I'm so happy right now.